Now screen is visible, friend. Let me know that. Now fine, right? Screen is visible and my voice is audible, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. So the port number, right? Port number is also what is string only, right? Port number. We need what? Port number. Okay. Port number is string integer. Okay, we will see that. Okay, now integer, I think int. This port number is int. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, now another one more thing. But username, but whenever we are logging our what, whenever we are logging our what, email ID, right? Whenever we are just, I'm logging out, right? Just I'm logging out. Sign out all. Okay. So whenever we will give the port number, right? Whenever we will give the host name and port number, based on the host name and port number, our application will interact, right? Our application will come to this much level, right? Just wait 1 minute, I will tell. Our application will come to just I'm logging this one. Okay, now just I'm logging it, this email ID. Till now our application will come, but it's need what, username and password also, right? It's need what, username and password also, right? So for that, okay, 1 minute, another one, I will logging this. I'm logging this one. No, I created for you people new Ravi Tiwari. This one I created. I will logging this one only. Okay, but I forget what, I took the username password. I will tell, give to you people also, don't worry. So this one, okay, tomorrow meeting. What, java @12345. Okay, now don't worry, this is not my personal email id to teach to you people what mail API. Because of that, I created yesterday only this email. Okay, now, so I will tell step to step the things. Okay, now, so now java @12345 is there, right? Password is java 12345 is there. Okay, java @12345. Okay, I'm logging it. Okay, I'm logging this one. Now the email, this gmail is logging it, right? So after giving the username and password, this email is logging or not? So for that username password also need, right? Username password also need, right? So for that, what is that? User colon what, this is the string type. This is also given what, need, right? After then what, password also need na, password also password. Password, right? This one also what, string type only, right? String only, right? After then some property also need. After then what, some property also need. It will check this username and password is correct or not. After then layers are there or not, 7 layer are there. OSI model, HTTP OSI model. Don't worry, I will show that one, right? In which our mail will work those property. For those property, we will give in the what, java mail, java mail, right? Mail property, java mail property, right? It will take two properties, right? Take two property. It will take two property, and that property data type is what, properties only, right? It will take the properties collection. Don't worry, at the time of implementation I will give. Okay, na? So this much things we have need to perform, this much things we have need to require to perform what, mail API, to work on what, mail API. This much property we have need. But here, how we know, how we can know that, right? What is the gmail host name and port number? How we know that, right? So for that, we will search on google only, right? I'm also we will search those things. I will take tell to step also you people. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, now I will give the steps also to you people. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, na? So fine. So now, okay, what I will do now? What is the just Gmail host number and what port I want, right? So we know we want those two things, right? Those two things. Okay, na? So see here, Gmail POP and IMPL SMTP, right? So what is that host number? Host number is gmail.com, right? Gmail.com only, right? So SMT host number, no, this one is not. Yeah, this one only, right? First one only. This one. Host name is what? smtp.gmail.com, right? smtp.gmail.com. Copy this one and paste it here. Only na, we will use this one. Okay, na? Paste it. Control Z. This is what? This is our what? This is the port number, right? This is the port number, right? This is the port number, means we got the port number, host number, host we got it, right? This is the host, means our Gmail is working on this host only, right? After then we need a port number also, na? Port number, what is the port number? Port number 90G. For that, no, for this one, for this purpose, this is the another thing, right? This is the pop, another multiple things is there. I will explain the OSI model also. But what is the port number? 587, right? 587. The port number is what? 587. Okay, na? So port number is what? 587. Okay, paste it. Okay, na? Port number we got it. Two things we got it, right? And a username. What is the username and password? I already created one Gmail, right? What is the? This is the username, right? This is the username. Based on this one, this is the what? Username. This is the username. After then what? After then what? After then what? Property. After then property means password, right? Password we need, right? Password we need. Okay, fine. Password we need. Okay, these four properties completed. Java mail property, these two means this property is taking two things. Okay, now this property is taking what? Two things. Those, for those two things you have to learn what spring documentation, there you will get it. But I'm giving, it will work for everyone, right? It will work for everyone. It will work for everyone. So for that, what is that? What it will check? Mail. Just what is that? Mail what? Mail dot smtp, right? Dot auth, auth auth. This is the what? Key, and this is the value. We have need to make this one as what? True. We have make this property as a true, and means this one means it will check this username and password is correct or not, right? Internally this one means by writing this property, it will check this property is correct or not, then it will connect our application with what? Gmail. Okay, so now another one more property is there. What is that? Mail dot what? Smtp dot what? Smtp dot what? STARTTLS, right? Dot enable, enable, equal to this one also we have need to make what? This property also we have need to make what? True only, right? True. So don't worry, I will show in the documentation also to connect with, right? So we have need this much things to connect with our what? Gmail. We have need to connect with what? Our Gmail. Okay, na? So fine. So now this much property we have need, right? So first to perform the operation, right? So with from which email, right? From which email we have need to make the means to send the email, right? So some setting we have need to do in that email ID, right? That email ID, then we can able to send the email, otherwise no. Means, so I'm giving the step, right? Please see the and think about that carefully, right? If we want to perform mail to send the mail with the some email, right? Gmail. So what we will do now? After logging that email, click on that, right? Click on that there what? profile. After then manage your Google account. Manage your Google account. Click on that manage on your Google account. Go inside that security. Go inside that security and come down. See, less secure application is there, right? I already on it by default. If you use your email ID, right, then by default this one is what, off only. So if you want to send the email from this email, if you want to use this email, so you have to make untrustable, right, means less secure. You have to make your Gmail to less secure, then you can able to, I will show the problem also, right? But you have to on this one, not off, right? If you on, then your what, this Gmail will become what, less secure, means anybody can hack also, right? Anybody can hack also. So no. So after then what we will do now, just one setting we have need to do in the Gmail ID, right? In Gmail ID we have need to do what, one setting, right? One setting, then we can perform the operation, right? Then we can perform the operation. Okay, so now this much property we have need, and make the Gmail ID unsecure, right? Unsecure. So for that, okay, now so where we will use it, so after then we will write somewhere our class also, somewhere we have need to write our own class also, right, to perform this operation, right? This is the given by whom, this is the given by whom is Spring Framework, right? So to use this logic, right, to use this logic we have need to develop our own class or not. So think about that, just I'm writing on my own service, right, my own service application. Okay, so for that we are just, I'm writing one class. Okay, so I'm writing one class. Okay now, so one class is there. So here, so fine, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, here is fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. So we have need to write what, we have need to write. Okay now, we have need to write what, some our own, where we will execute this logic using these classes, right? So for that we will write one more our own class, right, our own service class. Okay now, we will use these things in the service class only. Okay, so just think about that, just I'm giving this class name is what, just I think about that, I'm giving this class name is what. Okay, so just think about that. This is what, com.rk. This is my component. Okay, na, service. Yes, service. Service. This is the package name. Okay, na. In this package name, I decided to take the class name. I decided to take the class name what, public what, Rabi mail, right? I want Rabi mail sender service. This is the class name. Okay na, this is the class name. Okay, fine. So now what we will do now, okay, so inside that we will take this what, to make our what, application as a loose couple, which annotation we will use, sorry, which interface reference we will use it, right? Interface reference we will use it. Okay, so just what I decided it to take what, private what, sender, just sender, send, yeah, sender, send, yeah. Okay, now sender, then what is the data type, java mail sender, right? Java mail, send, yeah, sender, right? So this is what we will auto wire, don't worry. Okay now, sender, this is what, this interface we will use in our class only, right? In our class only. After then what I decided it, where we will write the logic, right? Where we will write the logic only, where we will write the logic, right? So for that we taken what, one boolean method. We decided to, if mail is sent, right? If mail is sent, then successful means, yeah, true condition ko true means mail is ended, mail is done. If mail is not sent, right, if mail is not sent, mail is failed, like that. So for that, which data type we can use, boolean kind of, right, true false, to generate true false only. Okay, so for that we will take one method also, right? we will take one method, right? We will take one method. So for that, what is the method name we decided? So public method name is a public, right? And method name I decided, yes, end, just send. I must decided method name is send. And after then what? After then what? Which kind of data come to here, right? Come to yeah, come to email, right? Come to email, come to email. Just I will show that, right? Come to email ID. So how we can go inbox, yeah? Yeah, this is the inbox, right? This is the inbox, means I have need to send, right? So means two, we will take the property two in the argument, right? We decided to take what? Two properties there, right? Another one is what? Another one is what decided? Subject is there, right? Subject argument we decided. Think about that, how I'm thinking. Subject property also there, right? Subject property also there. Then we decided to that method argument is what? Subject, subject, right? Subject property, just I'm writing half only, subject, right? After then come to here, again come to here, what is that? What is that? Text area, right? This is the what? Text area or not? Text area. So I decided to take what in the this method, what? One more argument, why? Text area, right? Text area, right? So after then what is that? What is that? Come to here, come to here, right? CCC and BCC also there, right? CCC and BCC, I want these things also, right? CCC and BCC also I want in the to perform, right? So CCC comma what? BCCC, right? BCCC also I decided, okay? So BCCC also I decided, okay na? So after then what? After then what? After then come to here, right? Come to here, one more thing is there, right? File attachment, I want to send the file also, right? So for that what? One more argument I will increase, right? One more argument I will increase, what? Just file, just I want to increase what? File only, right? UML diagram I created small, okay? So is small, okay, no problem. File, okay na? File, so I'm taking here only. So one more argument I decided it, right? So argument, okay na? So but this return type is I decided what? Boolean, okay na? So this is what? This is the method statement. This is the method statement, and we will use this attribute for this to perform this much operation, right? This much operation to perform what? We will take we will auto wire this one, okay? So after then what we decided it? What we decided it? But to perform this operation, right? To perform this operation we can write the some logics, right? But what we will do now, we will take the one what? Its implementation class, helper class, right? Which is where we can perform send, where we can set these two operations, this operation, right? Because if we write logic, then it will become too much lengthy, okay na? So I don't want, but for that Spring people is given one more helper class, right? One more helper class, this is the helper class only. Spring framework only is given, right? Spring framework is given what? This helper class. To use this helper class, your burden will reduce, your burden, hey developer, your burden will reduce it, okay na? So for that, what is that? Ord dot spring framework, right? Spring framework is given only what class name they given, what is the class name is there? The class name is what? Mime message helper, right? MIME, mime message helper class. By using this helper class, right? By using the in this helper classes, right? Some methods are there, some method, those methods we can use it, right? We can use it and we will perform that operation, right? So user will, this means this in this method we will use this class, right? This class we will use it, right? This is the what? This is the what? User helper class, we can say that what? This is the user helper class. This is what? User helper class. And between this class to this class, between this class to this interface, which relation is there? Has a relation is there, right? Between these two class, this class to this class, which relation is there? What? Has a relation is there. Okay, na? Has a relation is there. Has a relation is there between these two class to this class to class, right? Because we are using this attribute interface attribute in this class. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so fine, at the time of development, friend, everything will come to you. Okay, now don't worry about that. I know that my explanation definitely, if with this explanation anyone can do the work, right, in the IT industry also, because I'm giving the things to you people to survive the job, not you crack the interview only, right? You people will crack the interview also, and you people will survive the job also, because I'm taking the interview, right, in my company. I know that what things people really need with the experienced people. Okay, so now, okay, fine, this is the what user helper classes, right? In this MIME message helper class, what kind of things is there, what kind of things is there? Okay, so let's see that. Okay, na? So means to perform what? Two operation, right? Two subject, this much argument, right? So for that, then this in the helper class, what is that? Set two method is there, right? Set two method is there to perform what? CCC operation. To CCC operation, set what is that? Set CCC method is given, right? To perform what? CCC, this to CCC method, this one is given. Okay, fine. So now another one is what? So now set BCCC is there to perform what? Blind carbon copy. Okay, na? So after then what? To set a subject, right? Subject, 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 the method is given. This helper class is given. This method is as a predefined, right? We can do these things as a manually also, but there is no use, right? There is no use. Okay, so now what is that? Set what is the set text to write the text, text, right? Text operation. So for that, Spring people is given text, means sorry, this helper class is given this method. Okay, na? To attach the file, right? To attach the file. Okay, so to attaching the file, what method is given? To attaching the file, for that, add what is that? ATTACHEMENT, right? Attachment. This method is given, right? So by using this method, we will perform what? Our mail kind of operation, right? We will perform our mail kind of operation. Okay, na? So what we will do now? So let's move on. Okay, now let's move on, and we will perform the operation. But to work on this one, right? To work on mail API, right? Mail API, we have need the dependency also, right? So let's see that which, how many dependency and which dependency we have need. Maven dependency. Okay, na? So first we have need what? Spring context. Spring context Maven dependency. Second one is what we have need? Spring context support. Spring context support dependency. Okay, na? So last one more mail. We have need what? Mail dependency, right? Just mail dependency we have need. Okay, na? These three dependency we have need what? These three dependency we have need to work on what? To work on what? Spring mail framework, right? So now, okay, so let's move on, right? Let's move on. So I completed, right? I make our email as what? Less secure, right? I made my Spring framework, sorry, mail ID, Gmail ID as a what? As a what? Less secure. After then we collected all property, whatever property we have need, right? Whatever property we have need, I collected it, right? I collected from the internet. Okay, so now, okay, come here now. So what is that? And even I explained, right? So if we want to send, right, if compose, right, this one is called what? This box is called what? My messages, right? My messages. In my messages, what things is there? Two is there, BCC is there, CCC is there, subject and a text and a send. All those, if need file attachment is there, all those things is there or not? Come on. So now, okay, fine, so let's move on, and we will see that the practically the things we will see as what? Practically, and we will implement it. So shall I implement this application? Please use chat box reference. I want to need your replication, because you know as a diagrammatically all things I presented front of you, just practical is left now. Sure. Okay. So what about others? Only some means 2 to 3 response I got. Okay, so now so let's create one project, right? Let's create one project, and we will see that, right? We will see that things how we can implement those things. Okay, now we will see the things how we can implement those things. Okay, now. So now, okay, so let's move on. Let's move on, and let's we see that, right? Let's we see that the things. Okay, so let's see the things. Okay, how we can perform the operation using these things. Okay, so I'm going to copy the dependency first. Okay, now but first we have need to create the project or not. Okay, now so first we have need to create the project. Okay, so now let's create it. Let's create it. So now file, new. Okay, now I'm taking the Maven project. Just I'm going to create a standalone application only. Okay, so now next. Okay, next. Here I'm going to give what com dot what is that, mail application, right? Mail app. So my mail application, just I'm giving what my mail application name 1.0. Okay, na? So now finish it. Okay, so now project is created. Okay, project is created. Actually some record is still downloading, right? Totally project is still not created. Now wait it. Yeah, now created, right? So let's copy first what dependency, whatever required dependency is there, let's copy it from the what, internet, right? From the internet. Okay, na? From the internet. Okay, na? So what is the, what kind of dependency I said, what kind of dependency I said? Okay, come here. Okay, so my when no, spring what is that? Spring context, right? Spring context Maven dependency. First we have need what, spring context Maven dependency. I copied, right? I copied. Okay, so come to Eclipse ID. Okay, inside the dependency I am pasting that. Okay, after then one more dependency I made. We have need what is that, spring context Maven, sorry, spring Maven support, right? Spring context support. Support Maven dependency we have need. Okay, yeah, I copied that dependency also, right? I copied that dependency also. Okay, so I'm pasting that dependency. Okay, I pasted it. Okay, now one more dependency we have need. Which one? Mail Maven dependency, right? Mail Maven dependency. Three dependency we have need, friend. Okay, to work on that. That one is the not Spring. See, Java Xmail. This is given by whom? Spring. This dependency is given by who? Our what, Java people. Okay, now this is the Java. So now our dependency, but still to generate our means to change the compiler, Java compiler. What is that? Maven Apache compiler plugin, right? Okay, I I copied this property, right? I copied this property. Now come to our Eclipse ID. My system is started to hanging now. Okay. So where come here, right? I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it. Okay. After pasting that, I'm going to save this one. Okay. Now all this dependency will happen? All required dependency will download from what? Central repository. So now, okay. Okay. So now right click on the project, go inside my when update the project, right? Now select force update snapshot release. Okay. Now, okay. Okay, see, Java version is changed and whatever required dependency is there, all dependencies came inside what? Came inside what? Our what? Our class path. Okay, na? So now what we will do now? Delete it. This one, my when is generated this packages we don't need. Okay, now I'm deleting this one. Okay. So for that, but we know that number of bean equal to what? Number of method inside what? Inside where? Inside the configuration, right? In the inside the configuration. So come here. Okay, now. So this dependency, right? This bean is given by whom? Spring people. So but still, if we want to use the spring bean also, we have need to configure inside what? Configuration class or not? So same like, so this is the bean, right? This is the bean. So where we will configure, we will write one configuration class, right? So let's come inside that. Right click new, you take the class. Okay, na? So just I decided what? Com dot rk dot config, config config. Now this is what? App config, right? Now finish it. Okay. So if we want to make this class as what? Configuration, which annotation we will apply? Configuration annotation or not? Okay. Configuration. I'm applying this configuration annotation. After applying this configuration annotation, so for that, what is that? Come here. Come here. So okay. This is what? Java mail sender is there, right? This is the bean only. So how we will configure? So number of bean equal to number of method. Okay, now. So what is that? Public what? Java mail sender, right? Java mail sender. Okay, now spring framework is given, right? Java mail sender IMPL. This one we will take. What is the J M yes I? Okay, na? I'm taking the method name. Okay, inside that, what we will do now? Again, we will create Java mail, right? Java mail IMPL. Okay, JMS. Just I'm giving new. What is that? Java mail, right? Java mail. Okay, now so what we will do now? JMS dot what? Set. Come here. Come here. Okay, na? Come here in the diagram. How many host, port, user, password, Java mail property? This property we have to take, right? Set. What is that? Set host, right? First one is what? Host only, right? Host. Okay. So first one is what? Host. Set host. Okay, now just I'm taking the property. Later we will set it. JMS dot what? Set what is that? Port is integer, right? Port. Okay. So another one is what? JMS dot what? Set username. Okay. So okay, fine. One more is there, right? JMS dot what? Set password. Okay, this property is there. After then one more property, it will take what property? Java mail property, right? Come here. Okay, JMS dot set property, Java mail property, right? Java mail property. Hey, set mail. Okay, this one. Okay, na? This one. So fine. Now everything we now completed. Okay na, everything we now just return it, return what, jms. Okay na, I'm returning that one, this one only. Okay, so but if we want to make this one, this class as what bean, then what annotation at the rate bean annotation we will apply or not on the top of this method. Okay, after applying that, okay fine. So what is that, come here, what is the host number, host name, smtp.gmail.com, right? smtp.gmail.com. Come here, what is this? Here write it, right? Here write it, smtp.gmail.com. By seeing that, our application will reach what, our application will reach where, in the gmail.com, right? Our gmail, oh sorry, I used wrong place. Okay, here at the rate being. Okay, port number is what, what we search from the internet. Come here, right? Port number is 587, right? 5, our gmail is running in the port number 587, 587. Okay, we given. And what is the my username, is this one, right? rt88 something. This is the my gmail account, username. Okay na, so that username I'm giving here. Okay, that username I'm giving here. Okay, so what is the password? Come here. What is the Java at the rate 123, right? Java at the rate 123. Okay, copy this one only and paste here. Okay, paste here. Okay, but we have need some property also, right? Which property? Like mail SMTP authoring means to verify this username and password is correct or not. By writing this property, it will check. So for that, again, what we will do now? But it's taking the property only. So for that, again, one more. What we will take? Public property, properties. Just prop. I'm taking the method name. Okay, na. Now return null. Just I'm returning null here after then. So if we want to make this method as a bean, what annotation we will apply at the rate bean, right? Okay, so now fine. So come here, right? So property p equal to what, new properties. Okay, so okay fine now. Okay now, so let's set the properties, right? P dot what, p dot what is that? Come here, come, let's see as a what, the diagram at whatever means what, set, not a set, put is there, right? In the property, what is that? Put. P dot put, right? Put key is what, and value. Two property, I said that, right? Two property. P dot what, put. Okay, okay, this is the, we have need to perform what, we have need to put those property, right? Which property? Mail dot smtp dot auth, right? And we have make this one as a true. Okay, so true. Okay, so what is that? Mail dot smtp dot, I'm going wrong, I think, right? Yeah, correct. smtp dot auth dot auth. Okay na, okay fine. So now till the things is completed, now we have make this one as what, true. Value is a, we have make this value as a true. Okay, so by doing this one, it will check this username and password is correct or not. Because of that, we are writing this property. After then what, this property I will explain. This property I will explain why I am writing, right? I will explain this property why I am writing. Okay na. So now, so come here, right? Come here. What is that? Mail. What is this? Mail SMTP is stateless, right? It means start TTLS is there, right? I will tell OSI model. I have need to explain to you people. Because of that, then you people will understand. Okay. So but first let's write it. Right, let's write it, then I will explain what is that. Mail, what is that? SMTP, right? SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP means what? Simple mail transfer protocol. Okay now, so now what is that? TA